How to make video with pictures and music. You are watching this video because you need an AI tool to make video from pictures and music. Let's do it. To use free trial, click on the link below in the description. Now click here. Choose Google account here. Now choose your Gmail from here to continue. After creating account on Pictory, you will see this page. This is the main page of this AI video generator. This AI has so many features that I explain in different videos in this channel. For Make Pictures to Video with AI, click on this option here. Now you have to upload your images here one by one. Here, as you can see, they are uploading. By click on this option, you can add more images. Then after all, click on this option to continue. As you can see, all your images have been uploaded in this section, and each image is on a separate slide. Now, from above, you can see how many seconds are reserved for each slide, and now you can edit this second from here and make it less or more. You can change the duration of just one slide by clicking this option, or you can click this option and apply this second to all slides. Now you might want to choose a transition for the images. Click on this option and then choose one of these transitions. As you can see, each of them has a special effect, and if you stay on it, they will show you the effect. Now I choose one of these. Now if I stay on this option, this list will be displayed to me. Here I can use a transition between all slides, and for this I click on this option to apply it to all. And we can do other edits with other options. Now it's time to upload your favorite music. You may want to upload your own music. To do this, click on the audio option in the menu. Now click on My Upload. From here, you can upload your desired music file. For example, I upload this music here. Of course, if you want, Pictory AI has a lot of music in different genres in the background music section that you can choose. You can use these filters and find a good background music. It is optional. Now, let me show you something new in Pictory. You must have seen in various videos that the video is displayed in a certain color theme. I mean, there is a solid color theme like dark or brown or any other colors on the video to make more engagement. To give a theme to your video, you can click on this option. Now you can choose a desired color from this section. And from here, you can adjust the opacity of this color theme. Now, if you want to add it to all slides, click on Bulk option here. Then choose what I am choosing here and click on this to continue. As you can see, it covers all slides. You may see this in motivational videos mostly. Now, in the next step, maybe you want to add some text in each slide. You can do it in two ways, but I tell you one easy way to make it in this video. Click on Story option in the menu. Now, you can type what you want in each box. Like this. I add some quotes in these boxes. Now, I want to make some customization for the text. I want to do some personalization on these texts. You can change all slides easily with this AI video generator. Click on this option to apply in all slides. Now, to change the style of this text, click on Style option in the menu. Here you have too many styles to choose. Just find your favorite and click on it to apply. I choose this one here. Now again, to apply it in all slides, click on this option. Easily. To make a video with pictures, it is important to make some transition and effect to increase engagement. So, I want to add some animation for the text here. Click on this option. You have too many animation to choose. I choose this one now. After click on the animation you liked, you can have some extra customization. For example, you can change the speed of animation. You can both do it for entry and exit. It is optional. After all, click on this option to apply to all. This AI tool has so many features and can make awesome video with your pictures and music. Now, let's watch the result together. Please like and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. It was really amazing. I see like these video in so many YouTube channels, and it is amazing. You can also make it to any size you want from format option. To use free trial, I put the link in the description. And maybe some of guys need to have a voiceover on their video. One of the Pictory features is have a lot of voiceover in this section. They are in different languages and genre and gender and age, as you can see. You can choose one of them and apply to your video. For example, I choose this one. And this is my short video with pictures and music and a voiceover.
You will never do anything in this world without courage. It is the greatest quality of the mind next to honor. Better a little which is well done than a great deal imperfectly. The beginning is the most important part of the work. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. Make the best use of what's in your power and take the rest as it happens. Pleasure in the job puts perfection in the work. Dignity does not consist in possessing honors, but in deserving them. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Ability will never catch up with the demand for it.
You can listen to these voice after sign-in easily.